So here's a quick video of the auto biller in action. I'm going to go click on start over here. There's a couple second pause at the beginning. That's so it can communicate with ShipStation in the background through the API. Double check nobody's already invoiced this order or canceled it in case somebody called in or sent us a message. And at the end of each invoice, it will communicate the invoice number and the order type if we did have to order it, and the timestamp back to ShipStation. We're just going to let this program run through 5 invoices in this demonstration. It'll take about 60 seconds total to do those 5. These are all one-part orders, but I've tested this with up to 8 unique part numbers per order, and it can handle as many as we want it to.